Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on using the host controls in Google Meet. So recently Google Meet has added some additional features for the person hosting the meeting, that's you, and the ability to control what your students can or cannot do inside the meeting. So you'll find the host controls in two places. One, down here in the bottom, they've added this little blue shield on the menu bar down here that opens the host controls. You can also go to the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner and go to Settings, and then you'll see your audio, video, and host control settings. When I click on the blue shield, I get this quick menu here of quick access. Quick access means anybody who isn't invited has to join, including people in the organization, which is USD 264. So the people that are invited would be if you've created your Google Meet code in Google Classroom, any students that are enrolled in that Google Classroom, those are the invited people. They would not have to ask permission to join. But for example, if I was not in your Google Classroom, even though I'm a USD 264 user and I have the link to your Meet and I try to get in, I would not be able to get in if your quick access is turned off. So if I turn that off, only people with a specific invitation can get into your meeting. If I turn quick access on, then it's easier for folks to get into the meeting. So you can kind of control that the way that you'd like. These two down here are probably a little more specific to our students. You can turn off the ability to share the screen. So if you'd like for students to not be able to share their screen, or that's becoming an issue where students are randomly trying to sort of take over the meeting by sharing their screen, you can turn that off. You can also turn off the chat right here. And so sometimes the chat is a useful feature, and I know for some teachers and some grade levels that's become challenging where there's just a running side conversation on the side, especially with younger kids. That can be it'd be harder to sort of navigate. So you can also turn off the chat there. You can get into a more detailed settings menu by clicking this button here, and then you'll see basically the exact same options inside of those. Only the host has that menu, so only the person who has created that meeting has the ability to do that. Students do not have those host controls or those moderator controls. So that's using our host controls inside Google Meet.